fire sprinklers would have prevented what happened to Jeff from happening to him or any other child. I didn't know that there were residential fire sprinklers, and when I post things on Facebook about residential fire sprinklers, I have all kinds of people say, I didn't even know that was a thing. Just people know there are fires, but they don't know that there's such a really pretty simple way to prevent that from happening. People seem to know more about solid surface countertops than fire prevention, like when they're building a house. I don't think it's brought up to them. Like you could have ceramic tile floors or you could have residential fire sprinkler that would prevent your child from ever having to go through this. And I just think people don't know.
I think it's important to support fire sprinklers because you can look at all the other things people do for safeties. People wear helmets when they ride a bike, they wear a seatbelt when they're in a car. I think part of the reason people don't necessarily always go into the fire sprinklers is either they don't know about them or they kind of think fire is not going to happen to them.